Welcome to my life, Chris. This is what I do on a daily basis. My boat is peeing. It's covered in saran wrap. I don't really know what's going on with my life, but it's not going so good. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of, let's just say Fish in the Midwest. Let's just pretend like this is an old Fish in the Midwest episode. Welcome back to another episode of Fish in the Midwest. I'm your host, Jojo Bars33. Today, I'm with my good friend, Chris. We have not fished in quite some time. So we decided we'd do one quick trip before I fly out to Dallas tonight. We're taking the little John and we're gonna fish the DuPage River with it. I got a little bit of a problem here, and I think you probably know what the problem is. Last night I parked my boat on a very busy public road. Either it's someone I know or one of you beautiful people out there that thought it'd be funny to wrap my entire boat in saran wrap. Joke's on you, buddy, it rained last night, so I got pretty much no water in my boat, except for the water that was already in my boat, which is now pissing out the rear. We're gonna take all this saran wrap off the boat, thank you guys so much, and dump it into that river and see if we can catch some fish. Join us. Hope you guys enjoy. That may get a little hairy up there. While we go through these rapids, I'll explain what we're doing today. We're doing a classic river float. You start at one in the river and then basically float all the way down to another point. Chris is parked down to the pickup location, and I of course parked my boat at the drop-off location. You tend to do missions like this with a canoe or kayak. We're pushing the boundaries and limits here, and we're using a 12-foot John boat. Check this out, which tends to work pretty good, especially when the water's high. We've had a ton of rain, hence why there's water gushing out of all of these pipelines and such. See if we can crank them. We just passed our first
fish this right here.
Yeah, this looks good. We just passed our first riffle, and we're now going to fish this section. First lure we've got tied on here is a tiny 2 3/4 inch paddle tail swim bait on a 1/4 ounce jig head. Got this repping on the rigged rod, and I'm gonna throw this in some of the kind of currenty areas. Is currenty a word? If it's not, it should be. And I'm just gonna kind of work this like a little bait fish. There's a lot of moving water right now, so I think anything to move with that water is probably gonna get looked at. Just kind of have fun, you know. I've got like maybe 4 or 5 hours to kill before my flight to Dallas departs, so gonna make the most of it. But they should be like fairly predictable today with all the current behind rocks and such. Like, I got one. I'm on.
Oh.
First fish of the day. We got a smallmouth. This is my first ever DuPage River smallmouth. It's an absolute giant too. Like, wow, somebody call the Fleur hotline. Get this fish to its rightful owner. Oh, I just dropped it. First kill of the day, we got a smallmouth. Ooh, scary release. Man, that fish is vicious.
We'll get around this. We'll get around.
What are we gonna get around? Oh, you mean that? That over there? We, of course, plotted the float that intersects with the dam.
Well, we had to. There's no other parking. This will be very easy.
This is gonna be very interesting. That's what it's going to be. Throw it into full 100%, and we'll jump it. I'll also get in the back so the nose sticks up, and we can just scoot right on over it. Oh, portage.
Let's do a Boundary Waters camping trip.
Yeah, this is fun. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, let's take a look. Oh wow, this spot looks good. What the f? Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Steps, I gotta go down all these steps with the boat. You're kidding me. Okay, come on, let's go. We only have so much time. Come on, little John. I'm about to throw your ass down a freaking dam. Go. There's no pain. There's no pain in this. What are you doing? You're dragging. Give me the back. Oh my God, we did it. Okay, go, drop it. Wow, that was not fun.
I start every morning with my peanut butter and avocado toast.
Peanut butter and avocado?
Oh yeah.
No, you, with like together?
Dude, it's good, I swear.
That sounds disgusting.
You like avocado?
Yeah, but I don't know if I like those two together.
I guarantee you would.
All right, I guess I'll try. Oh, I'm on.
You got one.
You were just talking about peanut butter and avocado toast, and I got bit on topwater. By the way, guys, would you eat a peanut butter and avocado toast sandwich? That sounds disgusting to me. Chris is saying it's good. All right, second smallmouth of the day, a little bit bigger than that last one. We've drifted quite a ways. We found that a lot of this water isn't too fishy. I mean, it looks okay, but it's nothing crazy. The thing is, we've got a little bit of an increase in flow in the river, so they're a little bit harder to find. But nice little fat smallmouth. That fish actually ate a little tiny mouse. Yeah, it ate the mouse. I got this lure in Indonesia, and I've had it on my shelf of lures for, oh God, it's probably been like months now. So I finally decided to use it, and it produced. Pew! My throat is so dry. I'm literally going to. Oh. How is my motor not just destroyed? We got all that on video too. Oh my God. I literally thought I was gonna die. It was right after I put back that smallmouth. Chris backed right up into a fat log. Holy nut, dude. How is that motor even still alive? I've never hit something so hard. I thought you broke your neck. That was vicious. Oh, look at that rock. Dude, that is good. Yo, that was sketchy as hell. You need to put the motor down. We're spinning right now. This is not good. We got to this one stretch, which is considered the Naperville River Walk, which is like a really populated area with a ton of people. And it just got dicey, like out of nowhere. Super freaking fast moving water. We had a ton of rain that came in here through last night and then the night before that. So this water's up a ton and it is straight rushing. What's that? This looks good, yes? We're not gonna fish this wall because it looks minty. Just a few smallmouth, nothing crazy. Yeah, man, how's it going? What's up? You doing any good yourself? Oh, nice, thanks, man. You catching them too, or? Oh, just got out here? Cool. Is this pretty high for the river?
It's moving fast.
Moving fast, yeah. Seems like it. Hey, man, you too, thanks. This is actually crazy. We were in the freaking woods, and now we are casting to concrete surrounded by shop. There's a pizzeria right there. There's a restaurant right there. I'm about to stop off and get a munch. Cool. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yo, I got the goods. Let's roll. This might be the only spot I've ever fished in my entire life where you can go straight from the river to Walgreens to get some Panga snacks. We're about to. We didn't. I only got one snack, 3 drinks.
In reverse, Terry.
We're doing all this for like 2. I got one.
Oh.
No way, they're starting to bite, dude. I got a smallmouth after Chris got sent into the freaking bushes. I got a smallmouth. Oh God, go God. Back up. God. That was not that bad. I thought it was gonna be worse. Why are all these smallmouths like 1 inches? Third small of the day. I can't count. Third small of the day.
Unbelievably just like
Wow,
uncoordinated.
this is hard. If you ever think that you're gonna get by with a John boat in a river that is gushing, this thing is hooting right now. This river is hooting. From the naked eye, it looks like it's going real slow and steady, but oh my God. That ambulance is coming for us right now. They're anticipating our disaster. Oh wow, this is some of the best looking water we've seen. It's deep too, dude, it's so deep. I got one. He came off. Wow, we're just.
We'll come back.
How, dude? No, dude, this is good. This is the zone. We got to take the battle to the feet though, because this just isn't happening from the boat. We've hopped off a Little John. Now we're taking the battle to them. We noticed that this stretch right here is the juiciest, honestly, the best looking spot that we've come across throughout this entire stretch. We're at mile 5 right now and about a 7-mile float. It looks unreal. Like I just broke off on one. Nice 15-incher, and there's definitely more fish here to be caught, hence that little one right there. We've got this really sick, nasty current stream. It's pushing a ton of water, a ton of bait throughout this river. On the opposite side of where I'm standing at right now, there's areas behind rocks, behind logs, just little zones where there's slack water, where those fish have time to rest and post up for bait to come through there so they can kind of use it as an ambush point. Not sure if you guys can see it, it's tough to tell through the GoPro, but that's what's going on right now. We just found ourselves not being able to really take time and dissect these spots while on the John boat because we were drifting down so fast. So we had to get off and do a little foot mission. There's one. That's a decent one. There we go. There we go. Oh, it paid off. Bigger than what we've been catching. No doubt. Buddy swallowed that swim bait. Like absolutely just swallowed it. The swim bait's like in his mouth, but then the tail's like tucked under his gills. Like, what is going on? This is so weird. You guys see this? Look at that. Tail was tucked under his gills. It's incredible as to how well smallmouth will eat a lure. They're like the most ferocious freshwater fish. Okay, not great, but not bad. What?
Biggie small, so those aren't.
What are you talking about?
Biggie small.
Oh, you mean Fatso McGee? There it is, there it is. That's Biggie Smalls right there. That's Biggie Smalls right there. Get the net, Chris, get the net, get the net. It's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh, get the net. I'm freaking out. I've been catching so many dinks, I'm freaking out. It's dark. Nope. Yeah, we got him. We were just talking smack about the net and we used it. You were just saying there's Biggie Smalls around here and we just smoked a nice fish. Oh my God, this feels so good. Here we have it. Feels weird catching a fish that's over like 3 inches. Yeah.
That is a nice, for this river.
That is a very nice fish.
Are you kidding me?
We floated, how many miles is that? It's like 6 miles.
It's been 5, I think.
5 miles just to get a bite like this. Here she is. Nice DuPage River smallmouth. Crocs and smallies all day, baby. Been catching fish literally about the size of this guy's tail all day, so it feels really good to get a quality river smallmouth. These guys are elusive, but they're fun to catch. Look at that right there. Get that shot. Look at these spiders. This is what happens when you land in the trees every freaking 20 yards. Ah! Those things look like they're from the Black Lagoon. You ready? Oh my gosh, these guys are so fierce. He fought like a...
I thought it was 18 inches.
Dude, he fought like a 4-pounder. He fought like an 18-incher. Going back in that current. They don't have like really scaly bodies. Whoa, dude. Put her there. That's what it's all about. I only had like 5 hours of fishing in Illinois today, and that one smallmouth made it all worth it. Let's keep floating.
The problem is gonna be, I can push you off, but...
Okay, should I get out? I should probably... Ooh.
We're gonna flip it, we're gonna flip it.
You gotta go! Oh my God, what the dude? This boat is done for. Little John, rest in peace. It's dead.
We're good, spiders.
Spiders. Spiders. Out of all the riffles we hit, that was the one where I was like, okay, well, all my camera gear is gone. That's the rock that we hit right there.
Should have taken a picture of this boat before and after.
Oh my God, Chris, we made it. We survived the DuPage River. The boat just barely survived. I gotta say, that was kind of a sketchy run. Probably one of the sketchiest river runs I think I've ever taken. We ran into at least 30 trees today, about a half dozen rocks, and the Little John continues to live. We've got problems among problems, but nothing can sink this rig. And just like that, I've jinxed my next episode in which I take this thing out in the river. It's a good little rip. That was fun. It was a little bit too long, but we managed to catch some nice DuPage River freaking smallmouth bass. I will say we did pick a good time to get off the water because we got a nice storm head rolling in right now. But this is it. We're ending our smallmouth mission. I gotta hop on a flight in about 4 hours. What else is new? I gotta cook it on out of here. Huge shout out to this guy for coming along with, and huge shout out to Little John for staying afloat, not sinking. Thank you so much, boat. I really appreciate it. I'm peacing out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys are curious as to what we used, the gear, the rod, the line, the lures, I'll leave it linked in the description below so you guys can then hopefully come out here yourself and crank up some smallies. Anyway, that's it. As always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.